Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that convert the following from Cartesian equation to polar equation. So we'll start with the first one. So now, to convert an equation from Cartesian equation to polar equation, we usually make two substitutions. So these are x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. These two substitutions are usually gotten from a right angle triangle, whereby the vertical is y and the horizontal is x. Like this, let me draw it here. So here is 90 degrees, here is theta, here is y, here is x, and this is r. Whereby sin theta here will be what? Y, which is the opposite, over hypotenuse. So and r is the hypotenuse, so sin theta will be equal to y over r. When you divide both sides by r, you get it. Then cos theta is what? Is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is equals to x over r. So this is x over r. So these two substitutions are gotten from this. So now we'll substitute x here. So this becomes r cos theta is equal to 7. So this is the polar equation. Then the second one, part B, we'll substitute here. Since there's variable for x and y, we're going to substitute both of them. So it will be what? This square is what? Is r square cos square theta. Then plus y square. Y square is what? Plus r square. That's this square. R square sin square theta, which is equal to 9. So we have now substituted these two variables into this equation. So this is x, so if we square it, we'll get this. And if we square this y, we'll get this. And this is equal to 9. Now, we'll factorize the left-hand side of this equation. So it will be r square cos square theta plus sin square theta. It's equal to 9. So now, from elementary algebra, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So this now becomes r square 1 is equals to 9. So this becomes what? R square is equals to 9. We find the square root of both sides. This becomes what? R is equals to 3. So this is the equation. This is the polar equation of this Cartesian equation. So now let's move to part C. Part C, x square is the same thing as this. It will be r square cos square theta plus y square is what? R square sin square theta, then plus 4xy, which is what? Plus 4 so this means that this is 4xy. So 4xy, that means these two multiplying each other. This r times this r is what? Is r square. Then cos and sine, it will be cos theta sin theta, which is equal to 0. So now we can simplify this. This becomes what? If we factorize these two terms, it becomes r square cos square theta plus sine squared theta. Then plus 4 r squared cos theta sine theta is equal to 0. So now, using the same expression we used in B part, cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is 1. So this becomes r squared times 1, which is r squared plus 4 r squared cos theta sine theta is equal to 0. So now we'll factorize the left hand side of this equation. This becomes what? The common terms here is r squared, so it will become r squared 1 plus 4 cos theta sine theta is equal to 0. So now these are the polar equations of the given Cartesian equations. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.